Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about the history of Mohata Place Museum in Karachi. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is Mohata Place. Mohata Palace is the located in Karachi which is built a summer and home in 1927. It is the Mohata and Marvi businessman to architect of this place. This is the first Indian museum architect named as Ahmad Hussain Agha, was chosen one of the most integrating and competitive distinguished in Pakistan. This is the undoubtedly and haunted place in Pakistan. Nested, admitted, and breaking for the landscape is the rich historical site, and this is the haunted place stand in the treatment, and this is the endemic for you have to the circular in generation. History. The constructions of the Muhata Palace history is the sum of interesting love stories behind it. This story is someone remind for the Love Tale and Taj Mahal, one of the world's seven wonders, as the Taj Mahal was built in the order of Shah Jahan, as loving his tribute and his wife. This is the difference of Mohata Palace, was built in the wife and the Shvirtan for your Mohata from dying, where Shah Jahan Taj Mahal built and after the death of his wife. In 1927, one of the most successful Marbury businessman was instructed the constructions of the Palatial House and the manufactured sided for the Negroes in the Clifton. This is the amazing fact about this is the architect assigned was the name is Ahmad Hussain Agha, the first Indian Muslim architect. From this task, it is come a Jupiter. Most of these are might from have a question what was the reason behind to making this place. This is set of the Mohata's wife at you have the was suffered in your serious illness. So the doctor has suggested the Mohatas that is refreshing to wind cloud you have to the wife and that illness. Therefore, Shiv Ratan built a beautiful bungalow in the Clifton Oasis covered for very large area. Inside of the Mohata Palace, as you have to know the aware of history of Mohata Place, let's take you inside the detail of its interior. While interior in the palace, this is the first thing that you have to catch your notice in the beautifully colored window, a beautiful view of architecture, brilliance, and the arc of your Meriton and stone walls. Pakistan is the home and the reach of therapy for your historical sites and legends. The amongst of your most haunted place in the Pakistan hold chilling and a ruler. One of the such place that is infamous Mohata Palace in the Karachi within the rise for your ghostly appearance that is inspectable sounds that is the eco things that you have to opulated hells. Not for the forget it luxurious and royal feeling the rooms are the first floor gift once you have to the feel diligent of be in. This has become for the second floor which is the loss of charming because the room so big and hard of the imagine being to used in a single person. Even now, if you have to visit this palace, you have to the roof of flop and might we have to luxury. Lucky is to get you views and this seas. This is the because of the high rise building and you surroundings the Mohata Palace. These are buildings that made it difficult to the wind and arises for the ones you have to the palace's destination. Back when you have to construct it, the occupied and this is a charming palace used for the enjoy not only was the sea breeze but also have the scenes of views that unwrapped of seashore. You can also some of the manufactured structure that is the rooftop, top of the central storm covered by small ones. Once you have the home is constructed product inhabited from direct and sunlight. This is the building head to the form of marinated home and addition of the central structure in the corner. Mohata Palace Hunted. Mohata Palace Hunted story. During to the renovation of this palace, when it is getting to prepared an exhibition for the mysterious things was observed by people. These are people's once you have to the work for at the night. These are worker visitors who also have to set their experience and strange things. Worker offers that you have to completing work with lighting and moving the around of the single person used to be inside. According to the guard, Mohata Palace is the mysterious haunted place that is the ghost will be have to British Raj. Mohata Palace architecture. This is the mystery of Mohata Palace and secret tunnel. Here are the most of interesting thing that is Mohata night and not now. This is the Palace of Secret underground of the haunted house in Karachi. This is the tunnel leads that is the ground of palace in the Hindi and temple for your kilometers away. This is was said of the construction was safe and passage. Shiv Ratan Mohata's wife, that is the Hindu and she was cloud be worshipped daily. The Mohata Palace is famous. The tunnel is very exist even they although they have to passing the time and covered for block for the sets and more haunted place in the Karachi. This is the setup for parts of you have to the Prime Minister Binars and